you have obviously spoken about, touched upon the subject of what happened in Bipasha and you, right?
Yeah. I actually complimented her for Jism. That was the best part. And I think she countered it in a wrong way on Coffee with Karan. And I said, actually, hats off to her for doing such an amazing job in Jism. I couldn't have done it. And I've said this about many actors in a nice way, like not in a demeaning way at all. When I've seen certain films where they've done exemplary work, I've actually thought to myself, had I been given this film, would I have done justice to it? And I actually tell myself, no, that other girl did it better than me, or I could have ever. So I think I'm actually being very honest and non-egoistic by complimenting someone else, saying they can do a better job than me. Because what Bipasha's comments were that, I'm petite, I'm this, I'm very feminine, or whatever it was that she made, I don't even remember her comments. I was like, yeah, that's exactly why I suited roles like Gadar or Hamraz or Kaho Na Pyar Hai, where there was this childlike innocence, and when a hero came to protect you, he looked like the superhero. Had I had that height and stature, physicality, and I was, Basha has a beautiful body, and had I had that, but I would have not looked as petite in front of those heroes. Like, it would have been like, okay, she can fend for herself. The reason films like Gadar and all worked is because when a hero came to rescue me, it looked like I needed rescuing, So I think casting is done because when you 50, 60%, you've won the battle if you fit the role well.
Yeah.
And when I was supposed to go on Coffee with Karan post this episode, me and Arjun Rampal were supposed to go together. We were promoting a film called Vada, and Vashu Bhagnani ji's Vada. And Karan was there at the premiere, and he said, Misha, you're going to be on Coffee with Karan now in a couple of days. What are you going to respond to this, that Bipasha said? I said, Karan, no comment. Like, I really have nothing to say. I don't believe in pulling anyone down, so I'm not going to. And he said, oh, your typical South Bombay polished manners, And I said, so be it if you want to call it that, or you just want to call it that. I'm not here to make enemies or best friends. I'm just doing my job, And unfortunately, what happened is Arjun fell ill. So the show never happened, And then it's just like died down, I guess.